Good, everybody. Chris here again. Chris Goes Outdoors. Back again, hiking. Anna has returned from the dead.
Hello.
She's back here with us today at the trailhead for the lesser-known Pancake Mountain that we are about to climb. So we'll go in. It's a nice, quick hike up just a couple inches of elevation to Pancake Mountain. So off we go.
Sounds good.
We conquered the summit of Pancake Mountain, as well as the sub-peaks of Blueberry and Chocolate Chip.
Would it be Pancake Mountain or Flapjack Mountain?
Yes. And now we're on to the next one.
Bug head net.
So after our summit this morning of Mount Pancake, we've now made it to the trail. A very short trail, so it's Saturday of Memorial Day weekend, and the weather's supposed to turn pretty rough. We're going up a pretty short trail, about 1.5 miles to a pond with a shelter at it, and we're just gonna hang. We might end up staying here tonight, more than likely, but if the mosquitoes and stuff are bad, the weather turns really bad, we're just gonna shoot out back to the car and we'll find a spot to camp in the van until tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be heading over the border of New Hampshire into Maine. We're gonna head over to the Caribou Speckled region, where I have actually never hiked. The furthest I have gone over there is the Royces, which are, I think one is in New Hampshire, one is in Maine. But yeah, excited. So should be hopefully a pretty cool weekend. And if it is, sweet. And if not, well, unfortunate. How's the outfit?
I'm just so fashionable. Fashion. Look it up.
So we've been hanging out here at the shelter for about 2 hours, just taking in kind of the pond views. There's a ton of clouds and stuff like rolling through, but no major rain or anything really so far. Some wind gusts, but I think we're going to move on. We were planning to camp here, and we could, in theory, but there's a bunch of birds' nests all up in this shelter right now. And the birds keep flying in and freaking out and flying back out. So as opposed to preventing them from coming and hanging out back in here, we're just going to move along. So we'll go back to the car, hang out somewhere for the rest of the night. We'll more than likely sleep in the van. There's a lot of locations around here that I'm sneakily aware of that can camp for the night, that there's like roadside just pulling camping. So we'll probably go to one of those roads and just hang out for the evening. And then tomorrow we'll be heading into Maine to check out some hiking in the Caribou Speckled Mountain region of the White Mountains. But we'll be heading back down now, and hopefully it doesn't rain on us as we go. So we made it to the summit. We've been up here probably like an hour already, and just epic, beautiful views, pretty much 180 all around. Amazing. So we've just been hanging there, chilling, enjoying beautiful weather. It's nice and sunny out. Nice breeze blowing through. It is pretty buggy, but we'll take it, you know.
He's a nice one.
So we changed the plans a little bit. We had found some camping areas on the mountain, but let's just say they weren't exactly legit. So we're working our way down now over the Blueberry Ridge Trail, I think it is. And this is one of the coolest trails I've been on in a while. This is beautiful. Just like amazing views the whole way down. Super cool hiking. So it's been going well. We get about 2.5-ish miles back to the car, but we're taking our time. We got plenty of time, plenty of daylight too. So we're just cruising. This is great.